here we are, sorrel. These are young ones coming up. But over here, I'm gonna reap these now to make my sorrel juice. Here is it. And I have the ginger in the kitchen already that I bought at the market. Oh, here, over here, more sorrel. Yeah, more sorrel. All I give them is water. I get good soil and water. These are the seeds. These are seeds for planting for December. These are sorrel seeds. There's a dry one. All right. Now there's a new thing. Now this is Scotch bonnet pepper. This one is ripe. So these are ripe ones. This one is, and there are other ones here, over there, over here. Peppers all about the place. Here's another younger tree that's started to bear, just started to bear. Scotch bonnet pepper. So the sorrel. Oh. Scallion plant in container. Here they are coming up. Down here we have callaloo. Soon ready to cut. So the garden and the porch is going on.
On the porch?
On the porch. We have more callaloo here. These are young plants that is transplant. The transplant there. And they're coming up. Pretty nice. One more down here. Big nice leaf. Fat leaf, callaloo leaf, them there. Over here, so now we have some young ones. Over here, these are young transplant callaloo. I transplant them and they are coming up. Yeah, over there. I'm gonna cut more sorrel. So sorrel here. Again. This is another sorrel bed. Ants. So we're gonna make sorrel drink for me and my family. Yeah man, just water. Water is life.
Here you go. Nice.
These are fully ripe sorrel. Yeah. In this garden we have cane and
we have cane.
Cane coming up, young cane down there. Gungo, pumpkin, more sorrel down there. Those are kind of young, they cannot cut yet, but it's a nice garden out here. And then just all I do is water it. So this is fever grass, or they call it. They have a name for it, like lemongrass. Lemongrass over here. This side we have mint, Cologne mint here again.
Okay, pull it forward towards the
Cologne mint.
Yeah, there
Make
we go.
nice tea, yes. So this is.
What is this?
These are flowers. Okay. So we have really good thing in the garden here. Tomato here now, it continue bearing. See there, these are ready to pick, and these are here. Green ones over there. Green one over here and up here, so they are blossoming. Here's the blossom. So it's continue bearing. So this is a nice little spot. None fertilized, strictly water. So thanks for watching my little farm that I do right here on my porch. So you can do it too. and have something to show, and that you can get the real thing to put in your structure. God bless you all. Thank you.